Let's start this amazing session of finale of techniques in front of you amazing participants from various colleges from our India, and we are glad and happy to have you all within us here. So let's start the finals of technique. Before starting, I would like to introduce myself. As you all know me, Sohil this side from Sri Santa Gadge Baba College of Engineering, and I'm now coordinator of technique. And let's meet one of the greatest personality and of our colleges, of our faculties. So I would like to start from one of the most and greatest leader ever of our college. That is known as Dr. R.V. Barjibe, the principal of our college, Sri Santa Gadge Baba College of Engineering and Technology, Bhusawal. Along with the principal, he is also an dean of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University and Technical University of Maharashtra State. And along with this, a great leadership skills they are having under their guidance and everything. Today we are brought out, today we are learning and we are studying everything. After that, I would like to introduce with our mentor of an team along with the mentor and the guider of this whole technique competition. And the HOD of our department, Dr. Dinesh De Patil, who is an head and associate professor as well as the HOD of Department of Computer Science Engineering. He is having in greatest achievements in the name of them. He is having more than he has guided 25 plus PG projects, published 100 plus international papers in journals and research. So when we are having such an amazing background of our HODs, of our principal, of our faculties, how we can stay behind? So yes, that's the reason to the technique is in front of you all. So let's come to our next, one of the most greatest faculty member from our college, Dr. P.T. Subramaniam. She is also associate professor of Department of Computer Science Engineering. She is also guide of more than 25 to 30 plus PG projects. His research area is wireless networking and communications. Along with them, we are having one of the most faculty from our technique, Dr. P.P. Bangade, who is an head and associate professor and Department of Civil Engineering. He has also been guided of more than 30 plus projects. So that's all we are having, and our next personality I would like to introduce with that is Professor Ram Ashok Agarwal. Right now he is being holding in the position of head as well as training and placement officer of our college. Coming to next, Dr. N.S. Wani we are having as an assistant professor in electrical engineering. Next we are having Dr. N.A. Nemade, which is assistant professor in ENTC Department of Engineering. Next, S.B. Chaudhary sir we are having, that is assistant professor in mechanical engineering. Dr. Y.G. Pardesi sir we are having assistant professor in basic science and humanities. And from our computer science department, the most and the great personalities, those who have been always supported us to make our competition successful and unforgettable, precious ones. So they are Dr. Professor Hegde sir, Professor R.P. Chaudhary sir we are having, Professor Aniket Pathak sir we are having. Those who are assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
Chairperson Sri Mandal, respected principal Dr. R.V. Barjibe sir, all judges for this program, as well as all faculty members from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and all the members from Comboard's Research Laboratory. I welcome you all participants to connect with this platform to explore your idea towards the invention and research. Our department in activities is a continuing process in terms of inventions. We develop number of prototypes that are useful for in regular use in different fields through the Comboard's laboratory. Basis is all participants as well as Sohel and their team. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Professor R.A. Agarwal sir.
Good morning, one and all. It's my pleasure here to introduce our respected degrees in front of you all people. So first of all, I congratulate you all for your participation. Without whose this event would not be so successful.
First, that is having team ID of CBTR02, team of Tanya Agarwal. You can present your screen to start with your presentation. Over to you, Tanya.
Hi everyone, we are Team TM. You must have heard the bicycle name. We present you, the true dealers, an A to Z solution for all your bicycle related problems at your doorstep.
People, etc. Need to benefit of manpower and time. Only from Nassau University going to explain about a wonderful project edition. I have chosen the domain OpenCap and this comes under
the gloves can be used for 6 months. After 6 months, we changing just by the gloves. The operating system and gloves can easily separate. And after the 6 months, we can changing the gloves without changing the operating system. These are the different aspects of the picture of product. The first picture we can observe the back portion of this picture, and second picture we can observe that this outlet pipe is present, which sanitizer will be spread through it. And third picture we can observe that by wearing the gloves, it can.
For that example, we can create one separate application where we can train.
With this plant, I want to grow vegetables, etc. Because it is not a fun activity. So I'm creating this skill which will be fun and which will help children to connect with the environment. So the most interesting part is that I'm using recycled tea waste as an organic fertilizer, which make this product a sustainable product. And we all know that at every corner of the street we have a tea stall, and they generate a lot of tea waste which actually goes into the dumping yard. So I want to make sure that I use that tea waste to make organic compost. Second, the kits would be kids friendly with green age.
So with the gratitude from Ham over there, my friend and my friend Ashwin Gupta. So actually, as a part of the thing which was presented by the competition,
Speak loudly.
we try to give a solution altogether to the sedentary lifestyle that's been part of the pandemic over the past 2 years. So what happens is that we come up with a digital solution for the fitness. It's a more socialized fitness app named Fitbit. So where you can use. So what are the features of Fitbit? Like here we try to incentivize the user with so many things. These are the silent features. So basically what happens is like so many users try to pay to the fitness related apps and all in order
on a shelf that is next to you or a bottle of water. But it is not the same for 75 million wheelchair users that needs to use wheelchairs on their day-to-day basis. And for them, I, Luwai Darwazawala, created a robotic arm. My name is Luwai Darwazawala. I am currently studying mechanical engineering in KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Mumbai. I'm in my third year.
Wave Beats Music.